Getting hit with the dreaded "something went wrong" error on YouTube? Whether it's endless loading, broken thumbnails, or videos refusing to play, it's beyond annoying. Stick around as we walk you through the exact steps to fix it and get YouTube working again. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show you how to fix "something went wrong" error on YouTube. From browser glitches to network issues, we will show you what's causing it and how to fix it in minutes. Let's jump in. Method 1. Close and reopen the app. To fix the "something went wrong" error on YouTube, try the simplest solution first, like closing and restarting the app or your device. So, fully close the YouTube app and then relaunch it. If you are accessing YouTube from your PC, then exit YouTube and then reopen it. If you are on your smartphone, then press and hold the app icon and select the app info option. Choose the force option and then reopen the app and then see if this could fix the issue. You can reboot your computer or mobile device. Method 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet source by trying to visit another website in a web browser. So first of all, visit speedtest.net and see the status of your internet connection. If your internet connection is unstable, contact the local service operator. You can also change to some other Wi-Fi or internet connection if possible. If you are watching YouTube from your smartphone, then you can use mobile data from Wi-Fi and vice versa. Method 3. Update the app. The next thing you can do is update the app. Go to your device's app store to see if there is a new version of your YouTube app available. If available, download and install the latest version and then relaunch it. Method 4. Clear cache and data. Due to cache buildup on the browser, you can have problems while playing YouTube. Sometimes this cache can become corrupted and cause YouTube connectivity issues. Clearing the web browser cache can help fix the problem. Here is how to clear the cache on Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and click on the three dots menu. Next, head to Delete Browsing Data. Choose the time range from the given options. To delete all the data, select All Time and click on the Delete Data option. Open YouTube and check. On a mobile device, hold the YouTube app, then tap on the icon. Select Storage, then select Clear Data option. Method 5. Disable ad blocker. Ad blockers can prevent you from accessing YouTube, and this is the reason you can see you are offline. Check your connection YouTube on PC. So, disable the ad blocker and see if this can fix the issue. To disable ad blocker, follow these steps. Click on the three dots menu, select Extensions and click on the Remove option next to the ad blocker. Method 6. Turn off VPN. VPN services help to hide your IP address, but sometimes VPNs can cause connectivity issues on YouTube. If you are using any VPN service, disable that and see if this can fix the issue. If this couldn't solve the problem, reinstall YouTube. Method 7. Use a different browser and disable extensions. Try opening YouTube in a different web browser to see if the issue is specific to your primary browser. The next thing you can do is disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers that might interfere with YouTube. To do that, click on the three dots menu in the Chrome browser, then select Extensions. Now turn off the toggle for the extensions you want to disable. Method 8. Use an incognito window. Open YouTube in a private or incognito window. If it works, the issue is likely related to your browser's cache or extensions. To open an incognito window on Chrome, click on the three dots menu. Then select New Incognito Window, or you can use Ctrl+Shift+N key combination to open an incognito window. And that's it. YouTube should be back to normal. No more cryptic errors blocking your binge. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tech solutions. Still stuck or found a different fix that worked? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other out and keep the stream rolling.